How to turn on call forwarding forward when unreachable on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the phone app. Then tap on the more button at the top. And then we go down and tap on settings from the menu. Next in here, scroll down and then tap on supplementary services. Then tap on call forwarding. And from here, choose forward when unreachable. Here, put in the phone number that you want to forward to. You can also select a contact to add in the phone number. After you have inserted the phone number, tap on turn on. And that's it. We have now successfully turned on call forwarding for forward when unreachable. If later on you would like to cancel your call forwarding, you go back into this same settings page and then tap on forward when unreachable and then tap on turn off. And this will allow you to turn off call forwarding. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.